Well, hi guys, I'm here again. Well, this is, as I said, 22 class locomotive builder is English Electric in UK. This locomotive is really active in KTM Berhad during the late 70s and 80s. But sad to say, this locomotive is no longer in service for KTM now. Actually, this loco is from UK, and you can see the name of this locomotive by KTM Berhad is Limau Kasturi 22131. So the locomotive bearing the number 22131. Okay, Limau Kasturi. This name is from the location Malaysia. There's one locomotive of 23 class under Kota Tinggi. I'm not very sure where is the loco now. If you want to see the inside, it is under 20 km per hour. And this is the one control panel. But if you see furthermore in front, wait. Actually, this is Gemas Negeri Sembilan station, the old station. See, this is engine part. Engine part is here. This is the engine part. And this is the main control panel. But very sad, this locomotive is no longer used in KTM now. That's all for now. Thank you, bye.